Hello, my name is Richard Igwegbu. I am the CEO and founder of Unix Training Academy. Thank you for joining. Thank you for inquiring about our program. Thank you for also giving us the opportunity to train you in Linux system administration, cloud computing, and DevOps. I'm very, very excited to have you on board, and in the next 6 months, I'll be the one to take you through the journey, taking you from scratch all the way to the level that you'll be comfortable enough to challenge the jobs in the IT industry. I'll take you to the level that will make it possible for you to earn that 6-figure income only after 6 months of this training. So join me. I want to go to the computer and I will show you the things that I require you to get so you'll be ready for the training coming up in a few weeks' time. Thank you. So let's jump right into the computer. See you on the other side.
Okay, now we are into the computer. Let's go over some certain things. Let's go over the system requirements that I want, and let's go over what you need to know before we start this class. People ask me, what am I going to learn? Simply, what you're going to learn is Linux system administration and engineering. You're going to learn cloud computing using Amazon Web Services, and you're going to learn DevOps. What is Linux? Simply put, Linux is an operating system just like Windows. Some people do not know about Linux unless they work in IT or they know someone that works in IT, but without knowing, they use Linux indirectly. For example, some companies or most companies' IT infrastructure is powered by Linux. Many websites out there, they are powered by Linux operating system. Most companies, New York Stock Exchange, Fortune 500 companies, the underlying IT infrastructure that powers their IT environment run on Linux. Another thing that we teach is AWS, which stands for Amazon Web Services, which is a cloud services provider. Again, cloud is the buzz in the IT. We're going to tell you what is cloud, teach you how to use cloud so that you get comfortable discussing cloud computing and really using it, getting the skills that you need to get a job in the IT industry. Another thing that we teach is DevOps, short for development and operations. DevOps is a tool. DevOps is a movement where the software developers and software operations team come together to collaborate to make sure that the delivery of software is done seamlessly and the end users are happy at the end of the day. How long is the program? 6 months. From the time we start this program, I will take you all the way to 6 months. It's going to be a 6 months hands-on program so that at the end of the 6 months, you'll be comfortably able to discuss the IT skills that we teach, and you'll be able to use it to go into the job market and get a job. Do I require a university degree? No, you do not require a university degree. All you require to do this class is the desire to learn, show up when we have classes, and I can guarantee you that you'll be fine. Do I need to live in America? Okay, I don't live in America. How can I join the program? We make use of remote e-learning tool like Zoom to deliver online classes worldwide. We have students all over the states of the United States. We have students in Canada, we have students in Nigeria, Europe, all over the world. So we use Zoom, for example, to deliver online training live program. What type of computer/laptop do I need? I need it to have a computer that has at least 8 GB of RAM, preferably a Windows laptop. The reason why I prefer a Windows laptop is because most of the applications we'll be installing run on Windows. If you have Mac and you're comfortably using Mac and you already have it, no problem. But if you don't have a laptop and you want to buy a computer for the first time and have not used Mac before, I would suggest you buy a Windows laptop. Now let me show you how to find out the specification of the RAM that I need. So if you go to File Explorer, this is File Explorer. when you click on File Explorer, oh, okay, sorry. You come here, you search for File Explorer. This is File Explorer. You can right click on it and pin it to taskbar. When you pin it to taskbar, you see it here. So if you click on that File Explorer, let me close this out. If you click on File Explorer, on the left side, you're going to see an icon. It's called This PC. Do a right click on this PC. Do a right click on this PC. When you do a right click, then you click on Properties. When you click on Properties, you will see a window like this. Under Device Specification, I'm looking for installed RAM. In my own case, my installed RAM is 32 gig. I do not expect you to have a laptop that has 32 gig. That will be too expensive for you. It's going to cost you over $1,500. 8 gig is fine. If you can afford more than 8 gig, that's fine. Also, look for the system type. The system type has to be 64-bit operating system. This is the architecture that we need. If you buy a new laptop, it's going to be 64-bit. We don't want you to have a used laptop. If you already have a laptop, that's fine, but don't go out there to get a used laptop. It may not function very well. What date does the class start? As explained in our advertisement, that is the date the class will start. Also, you can check out our website for updates, but most importantly, I will communicate with you guys on the WhatsApp group. The date in that group has not changed, but if anything changes, I will let you know. If I refer someone, do I get a discount? Yes. You can get up to $100. You can get $100 discount for each student that you refer. If you refer 5 people, you get $500 off. If you have finished paying and you refer somebody, we will send you $100 either by check, by Cash App, by Zelle. If you are paying monthly and you still have some payments left and you refer people, you take your money towards the end of your last payment. So if you need further inquiries, just send us an email to support@unixtrainingacademy.com and somebody will respond to your email within 24 hours. Also, you can reach us on the phone at 346-406-2002. This is our office phone number. Somebody will take the call during office or during business hours. Also, you may decide to reach me on mobile on 302-730-6085. My name is Richard, and I will see you when the school starts. Thank you.